This is Mitsubishi Pajero 2012. This is the working remote, and this remote is not working, so I'm going to program it by this dongle. So first to put the key in the engine, and then put this one dongle here, the down, and then flush this 6 times. 3, 4, 5, 6. See, now just press any button, lock or unlock any button. Yeah, it's success. And now press the second one. Yeah. Then it's success now. So just remove this dongle and remove the key and try. It's working. This is working also. Now I'm going to do the program the chip. To clone the chip, the first I have the one key is working on. Let me check. This is the working key. So what I have to do is put this, the key, transponder, read the chip. .46. Let's clone. Now put this nearby. Just turn one. Let's put the nearby. Now put the original key inside. Now put the BBDI chip. This is the reason I put the BBDI chip already. Just put BBDI chip. It's complete. This is the new key. First check the remote. It's working, and try to start the car. This is the what Mitsubishi Pajero 2012. Now the both remote is working by this dongle. It's very cheaper, only like $10 US.